Gotta make sure my meat don't fly off. It's on there right now, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I got one pulling. Feels like I got one pulling. I don't know what. What's up, guys? We're out here catfishing, me and my mom. We're about to cook this guy up on the fire, primitive style. She just got her one also. Little guy there. And got this guy about to throw him on. There we go. Flay him up.
Find a hot dog stick or something.
We need to cut him up first. We need to get that little guy back in the water before it's too long. Oh, no, no. Little cat.
It's like crazy people.
You know what you're doing? You're just chopping his head? Huh? A lot of good meat right there. Dirty.
You learning anything?
Oh yeah. So we didn't get the most meat, but
No, it's a good fillet. There's some bones right here. See this yellow part? You really don't want that. I mean, you can eat it, but I'm gonna go rinse this off.
you can tell we haven't ate supper yet. We're out here catfishing. Ain't taking no breaks. We're just gonna eat this little guy I just caught.
Right there.
Yep. Just wash that off.
Yep. Look at those on now.
I went in. Oh. Oh, God. Can't we just let it skin down?
No, but I was gonna put them over here. Okay, here.
Put it right there.
Because you don't want to get real ashy.
How long that'll take to cook? Relocate them. Don't get too much of that. Mom, you don't want to use that crud stick. Oh, we got crud on our fish. Can't eat that part. All right. This kitty's for the other kitties. There's some little hunks of white meat there.
No, he's good.
Yeah, it's pretty white.
He's really good. Catfish.
Yeah, catfish on campfire. That ain't bad. It looks dirty, guys, but
Once you get
it's
into
actually, it just has a little bit of charcoal on top of it, but it's actually, you peel that back, super white meat, super tasty.
good job, Mom.
Good job, Mom. Yep. It's tasty stuff. Guys, it's the next day. That trip was not really planned or anything. We didn't even have right catfish hooks. We didn't have anything we needed. But I thought it was kind of cool. We cooked up that catfish right on the fire, and I mean, it hardly tasted fishy at all. I don't know if it was the campfire or what in the smoke, but it was extremely tasty. Definitely ought to try one out on the campfire. That was actually my first one. But if you guys like the video, please like it, subscribe, I appreciate it. But my plan is we're gonna go back down there prepared, and we're gonna slay the catfish. I'll get some video of us actually catching them and stuff, and hopefully cook them back up on the campfire again, try something different out. But yeah, guys, stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching. Got you a turtle.